Oteko koso Otumfuo say to abebi o to sumienu e de ato Ghana Police Service mpanifo anim sa ho hyeso ene nkabo mu na betimi aboa wo mo no wako ati abonofofo nene ya make say de na so maimu post sahene dem mu Dr. George Akufudampare waba pro akọ Otumfuo na so ene ode nsem we etoja
IGP Edine Fuamiensa ebo pro e Asante Mantam wotretene ne mrantie no no san ehyomu enkunan okopiemu e wo manhia ekwaje opemso ensam enhira Asante hene edeto nanim ese wonhwe ema asumdwe ne kroye enadi na fei ehaw bia ekoso e obamba adwumakonum no wontu ase
nti openso de se form anye yi amaso anye yi de ne process ne mehu de na se form ho se kom de ne awodi ufa ho bintu nim e form ho so mu enta de ne ye de anya ufa ho bintu nim esoro so wagodru ho ho so nim ho asem
empanyfo a ewo bambofo ahye kese ewo enkran edi IGP achi eba Asante Mantam ha kane Asante Mantam police sahene mienu COP Kofibuache ene COP Kaniyebo a wo nyina eba bia omkohia bambofo a ewo Central Police Command wo mo ne mo enkomo bomu no COP Kofibuache edito monimu ese
some people are talking about uniform, even the one that you have you can keep it clean, but most of our people are dirty. And that's one indication that reduces the image of police.
IGP Dr. George Akufudampare editor just say bambofobia womadwuma mu womu prepraya na nkedi se yehwe omo nanso yemfi omo ni nyina no enei womahase etu omo ho anamon woka wei ede hye bambofo ni enkran esan kira anamon pa womu etu.
A second person who was shot and had his leg amputated, he needed to go to Germany for an artificial leg to be fixed. Almost 9 to 10 years now, it has not been done, and the person is virtually abandoned. He needed just about 35,000 euros. Somebody shot by armed robbers when he was fighting robbery, and that was not done. Fortunately, we have gotten passport for him, and wherever you find the money, you go to Germany and have artificial leg. Had a spinal problem. He needed 58,000 Ghana cedis then, almost about 7 years, to fix it. That money never came. And that lady, when we came, we decided to find the money and get it done for her. When the check was done, it has gone to 98,000 Ghana cedis. We said, whatever it is, we'll get it done for her. We issued a check for that treatment to be done, only for her to walk to the hospital. They said that because it has delayed, it has affected her womb and it needs to be removed before even that major operation.
Nana Awuku Danchambuo Amani Buni.